have studied the basic definition of average and the average calculation of consecutive numbers and certain sequences. Now, with that knowledge, we'll proceed to solve a set of examples. Here, the given question is the average of 6 consecutive numbers starting with 12 is. In the problem statement, it is given that we have 6 consecutive numbers starting with 12. They are 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. From quick trick 2, this is the trick which belongs to a count of even numbers, we can say that the desired average value will be the mean value of these two numbers 14 and 15. So that value is 14.5. Next example, A, B, C, D, E are 5 consecutive numbers with an average 80. What is the sum of A and D? In the problem definition, 5 consecutive numbers which are designated as A, B, C, D, E are given to us and their average value is 80. From quick trick 1, we know this is the trick which belongs to a count of odd numbers. From this trick, we can say that the middle number will be the average value. So the value of C is 80. So if we know one number among a set of consecutive numbers, then we can write the remaining numbers. So the value of C is 80, then the value of B becomes 79 and the value of A will be 78. Similarly, the value of D is 81 and the value of E is 82. Here we need the summation of A and D, which is equal to 78 plus 81. That value is 159.